Go ahead and find a comfortable way of laying. So lay all the way flat and close your eyes, please. And as you lay, let the weight of your bones draw you deeper into the ground beneath you. Allow gravity into you. Let it make you heavier still. Seeing how heavy you can be on the earth. Let your eyes, even behind closed lids, drift back towards the deepest part of the cave of your skull. Let your breath be felt as it slows way down. Get a sense that the air that you're breathing, you're not just drawing air in, but you're trying to taste it and smell it. And feel an effort to it, as if this air was liquid and thick. Let your breath begin to press downwards as if it can press your heart and kidneys down past your belly to be felt down into the ocean floor of your pelvis. Bring the horseshoe between your fingers and thumbs to the sides of your waist, the space between the bones of your hips and the bones of your ribs. And use this slow, powerful breath, the pressing down of kidneys. Imagine that you can expand outwards into your fingers, into the tip of your index finger, into the tip of your thumb. And keep that outward pressure even as you exhale. Notice the difference between right and left. Bend your knees now if you're not there already. Bring the soles of your feet flat to the ground. Notice the parts of your back that are touching the ground and the parts that aren't. Soften your fingers on the sides of your body and let your breath speak to the ground underneath you, trying to fill and touch the spaces that were empty before, trying to touch the ground with your breath. Keep pressing down with the weight of your breath as if you can make your hips heavier, even as if you can push that pressure that you're pushing downwards, down into your thighs. Now find a sense of the triangles, a lift of the low belly and sacrum, the drawing of the heart back between the lungs, a collection drawing back at the triangle of your throat. And even as you do that, the bones of your face keep drawing forward. Even as you lift the triangles, keep pressing heart and kidneys down. Begin to reach through your dragon tongue. So imagine that you're lengthening your thigh bones out of your pelvis. As you do this, let that feeling make your hips heavier. And slowly, as you reach your thighs, if you're lengthening your thigh bones out of your pelvis, let the feet get lighter. Let the ankles be relaxed, toes be relaxed. Reach to the thighs and to the feet. Come off the floor just a few inches. Keep breathing into the ground beneath you. Keep pressing heart and kidneys down, lifting the triangles, trying to lengthen the thigh bones, feet relaxed. Bring the heel of your left hand to the top of your right thigh near your knee. Keep reaching through the thigh bone. Imagine the same thing is happening with your arm. Your arm bones are growing out of the rib cage. Press the heel of the hand and the thigh together. And again, press the inhales and exhales downwards. Press hand into thigh, thigh into hand. Reach thighs and arms long out of the body, as if you can push the pressure of your breath out through them like a hose. Pressure of inhales and exhales both expand you downwards for 4, 3, 2, find the shake. 1, slowly release. Move the soles of both feet down, rest your arms. Sink deeper. Give yourself back to gravity once more. Pressure of kidneys, pressure of heart. Press inhales and exhales downwards so both are in expansiveness. Let your breath speak to the ground beneath you, filling the spaces that were previously empty. Reach through both thighs. Reach through both thighs, keeping the sense of the dragon tails, the heaviness of the back of your pelvis heavy on the ground, as if your thigh bones are being stretched in 2 directions until they lift. Soft feet. Heel of right hand to the top of left thigh near the knee. Let the arms and legs lengthen. So there's a sense of them pressing into each other. Imagine that you can push the pressure of kidneys down with your breath, pressure of heart, until that power goes into the hose of your legs, into the hose of your arms. Find the shake. Breathe deeply. Pressure of inhales and exhales presses downwards for 4. Find the shake. 3, 2, 1. Release. Bring the legs down. Relax the arms. Sink with gravity heavier into the floor. And even as the surface sinks, let the depths sink even further as if they can sink past the floor. And again, reach the thighs, keeping the sacrum heavy on the floor so you're being stretched in 2 directions. Dragon tongues, the thigh bones reach. Dragon tail, the connection of the thigh bones to the sacrum become heavier into the ground. Legs come up. This time, left hand again, top of right thigh. Keep pressing. Tilt over to your left as if you're twisting until your right butt comes up off the floor. You're floating into a twist. Left leg stays up away from the floor. If this is too much, you can let your left leg rest on the ground. Again, reach through the thighs. Press the pressure of your breath through the living hose of your legs and arms. Pressure of kidneys and heart pushes downwards with inhales and exhales. Keep the expansive quality of your breath. Use your breath to speak to the ground beneath you for 4, 3, find the shake. 2, 1, release, come back to center. Bring the feet down. Rest the arms and sink. Reach through the dragon tongues, through the thighs one more time. Let the anchor of the dragon tail stay. Lift the triangles, the low belly, sacrum. The heart sinks deeper into the body. The throat slides back. Bones of the face grow forward, almost as if the teeth are engorging with blood. Heel of left hand to the top of right thigh. Press the pressure of your breath downwards into the furnace and out through the hose of arms and legs. Tilt over to the right. Left hip is off the ground. Did the wrong hand. Right hand to the top of the left thigh. Press. You can rest the right leg down or keep it up. Deep breaths now into the furnace. Breathe deeply, find the shake for 4, 3, 2, 1. Release, come back to center. Bring the feet down. Bring the arms down. Press the pressure of inhales and exhales downwards, but do it softer, as if there's something familiar to it that no longer requires your conscious effort. Feel as much as your upper back, the back of the heart, the back of the lungs, and the ground. Even as you press the front of the heart down, imagine the sides of the shoulders like a waterfall cascading into the ground beside you. Even as the back of your skull gets heavier, imagine you can press the pressure of your breath into the heaviness of the back of your skull. Imagine the bones of your face, the bones of your teeth, especially your upper teeth going forwards. The cave of your sinuses expanding forwards and wide. And as the vessel widens and grows forward, let yourself drift back and down. Even behind closed lids, let your eyes rest into the periphery. Sink down with the sensations of your body. Let go of any effort in it now. And stretch your legs on the ground. Let them fall where they fall. And let yourself empty. And again, sink slowly into the emptiness. And even as you empty, get the sense of being filled. Now stay here as long as you can, as long as you like, with barely an echo of a capacity to listen. And when you're ready to come out, move slowly. The sense of empty and fullness with you. And as you sit, pause. And breathe. To the ground in front or beside you. Breathe it deeply in. And exhale it fully. And once more, breathe it deeply in. And exhale it fully. Ready? Now you can peel back the lids of your eyes, bridging the light and the dark.